guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So it's really simple and let's get into the video. First, you have to go on our TikTok app and right here, as you can see, I am on my profile. So in order to add a link to a bio, you have to click on those three dots in the right corner and then go to manage account, and here you have to switch to a business account. So instead of switch to personal creator account, you will have switched to a pro account, and then you can follow the steps. It's really simple. It will take you like 20 seconds to make a business account. So I'll go back, and if you have this business account, you can click on edit profile, and here, as you can see, we have bio and website. So what you want to do is click on website, and here you have to add your link. So this is a link from our YouTube channel, so I will click save, and then I will go back, and as you can see, we have a link right here. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you will give it a go. If it did, you can smash the like button, and you can also comment down below your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye bye.